Hey, going, hey. Anybody else been liking the cozy weather? I think I was falling asleep doing Bible study with y'all last night. It's the cozy weather I don't mind because you get to you gotta worry about sweating. You ain't gotta worry about you put on clothes, you can't always take them off. Okay. But let's get to this food review. So we got some food from the Jamaican Pot, located right in Detroit on like what's that, 8 Mile? So we got the small veggie plate, and then we got peach cobbler. That was like 20 bucks. So this is the peach cobbler look like. Their food is usually really good. This I haven't just had just the veggie plate. It's so cute. They put my initials on here. Okay, and this is what the veggie looks like. Okay, so this is their cabbage, red beans and rice, plantains. I should have asked them to put the sauce on here that they use on their salmon. Their jerk salmon is so good. So good. But yeah, let's get into it. Hello to who's ever in the viewers or whatever like that. Just been getting some computer work done. So let's take our first bite. It is plantains. They're always so good. Cabbage. They like shred their cabbage. Mm. It's like they left the cabbage a little crunchy to maintain nutrients. So whenever you eating vegetables like that, that still may be a little crunchy. Then June favorite football team? No, I just like this. I like crew crew neck shirts, and it just so happened to say Michigan on it. Plantains are really good. They're kind of sweet. They got like a bitter sweetness. Next time I'm gonna tell them to put some of that jerk sauce on here. hmm So I did have like I haven't had any chicken. I have had some turkey though. I had some turkey yesterday. Or you like turkey Tim? Don't do me. I know a little bit about football. I know that when you throw it, it's supposed to have that spin on it. hmm I would rate this a 10. I'm gonna say an 8 because I want that sauce. Somebody check. You know what I'm saying? See? Um, somebody tag Jamaican Pot because they are just awesome. These plantains is, I would say, smacking. Yeah, me say stuff I don't even words I don't even use. I'm Jamaican Pot. Where they at? They better have a Facebook. Yes, they do. Tag them. Yes. Shrimp fried rice? No, this ain't no shrimp fried rice. Oh, you talking about the other day. The hibachi. Mm-hmm. That was really good. That was some homemade. It was really, really good. But no, these is Remy. June, you let me find out you a foodie. When you start doing these food reviews of me and Bible study. Mm. Yeah, I love fruits and vegetables. All right, I'm gonna stop eating this so I can I'm gonna try the peach cobbler for y'all. Breakfast I had green tea and these almond cranberry clusters. It was really good. Yes, yes, so good. I hit my OMG. Yeah, they made it to the news because they food so dang on good. Mm, mm. I said I'm only taking a bite from eating this because I'm gonna try this peach cobbler for y'all. And then I love being me. I swear I do. I enjoy the business that God have put in my belly to share with y'all and grow and learn and keep track of. All right, we about to take a bite. It's giving holiday season. Thank you. Yep. So I just wanted to try that because I'm about to go back into my food. I probably should like not even eat no more and just eat my because this could really last me like all day. It's not gonna last till tomorrow because I have brothers. They they like to eat our food without asking. You said it's giving what, June? What is that you put in there? I can't tell what that emoji is. But this is just in time for I'll see how they did it. I was gonna order their cocoa bread, which is really, really good, but I'm like, I didn't need cocoa bread and peach cobbler. Come on now. I was about to though. Get my arms be spreading. Back spreading. Mm-mm. Not too much. A meal and some sweet. Got some water. Oh, clock. I know that's what you silly. Yep. Y'all can check. Y'all can catch this full review on our YouTube channel, Ebony Michelle 615. Amen to that. But I don't know. It's only 12:12. Like, um, you know what I'm saying? Uh, I don't know. I'm trying to like not overeat, like gluttony. You know what I'm saying? It's just a few bites, so I do feel satisfied right now. If I eat any more, I'm just overeating. And I know I didn't even take a whole lot of bites, but here come my brothers. Time to put this up. Gotta go. Love y'all. Bye. You're for my life.